Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing the Bitcoin from a technical and fundamental perspective for a long term, which means this analysis would be valid for 3 to 6 month time range. So this analysis would be on the Bitcoin and we will be analyzing whether the Bitcoin would stay above $19,000 and will continue its bullish momentum, as we can see on the screen that the market has started its bullish momentum since 6th October, and since then we have seen a bullishness or a bullish momentum. And but will it stick to, or will it take 19,000 range as in support, or will it retest the previous resistance from which some around 2017 till 2018 the market for the Bitcoin did reverse from the target of 20,000. So coming on to the charts, first analyzing the technical perspective, then analyzing the fundamental perspective. So do watch the video till the end. Coming on the technical perspective, here we can draw a support trend line. This would be the support trend line. Let me make that in zone so we do not caught up any fake breakouts. And currently we are charting on an 4-hourly chart. Let me zoom in so we can analyze it properly. So now coming on to the charts here, what we can analyze is that the market has tested this particular support on 3 November, then on 8 November, and then we have seen an support towards the support trend line on 28 November. Currently today is 8 December and we are currently seeing a huge sell off, and the market is also making an symmetrical triangle pattern. Let me highlight that pattern too. This would be the resistance. Let me change its color to dark blue so it's easy to analyze and highlight. And this would be the resistance. This would be the short-term resistance, and this would be the support. On the chart, we can easily see that the Bitcoin is currently testing the support of this symmetrical triangle, and the market would surely, in a matter of 2 to 3 hours, will break this particular support zone, as the fundamentals are strong, which are encouraging more bearish momentum entering in the market. So this is the support trend line. What we expect by the Bitcoin is that it will definitely retest this, break this particular support trend line, short-term support trend line of this particular symmetrical triangle, and we will see that the market for the Bitcoin would head towards this particular long-term support trend line which we have drawn. Now first coming on to the fundamentals, then we will come back to the technicals, and then we will discuss what a trader should do. We can compare the current trading volume to the beginning of the last week. We can clearly see a decline by half to $25 billion. So although the market is not falling, according to a decrease in the volume by half, traders do not support the current dynamics of the market and mostly in standby mode. Nobody wants to be an early seller or a late buyer. Meanwhile, the crypto fears and greed index remains in extreme greed mood at 94, indicating a high potential for a correction. The traditional market has attached a lot of attention due to the renewed growth in the stocks, gold, and oil. Against this background, the crypto market is waiting for new triggers since the current price dynamics is managed by the institutional investors. We may well see a wave of decline and increasing interest depending on what happens within the traditional assets. Last week, the Bitcoin lagged quite a bit in testing the most important technical and psychological level of $2,000. This significant test will likely be take place this week and will exceed 20,000 K in prices of the Bitcoin. We will see another profit taking which would be an enough for a launch of a huge correction. The news around MicroStrategy's purchase of Bitcoin at the price close to 19,500 may become an important factor for Bitcoin to support this week. The company bought around 5 million worth of coins, while in total they own almost 41k Bitcoin. Although compared to the traditional market, this is relatively a small investor. Nevertheless, such an injection may be a very tangible positive impulse for the crypto market. Crypto Crypto market participants are afraid that the outgoing Trump administration may tighten the crypto regulation. However, in this context, we are constantly in uncharted territory. The Democrats also do not guarantee a positive attitude towards the Bitcoin and other digital currency. It should be noted that juggling by the reaction to the Facebook's intention to rebrand Libra and launch a stable coin called DIM, difficult time await stablecoin in general. If the bill on the regulation of a stable coin turns a law, it will hit not only the huge industry around the coins would be focused and would be tightened by the rules and regulation, which will again lead to a decline in the prices for the Bitcoin. As traditionally we as in 2016 we did see that the market for the Bitcoin reached an abnormal rate of 20,000 dollars. However, then we saw that the many countries were restricting the demand and supply for the Bitcoin within their countries, due to which we did see a fall of $18,000 in the Bitcoin. Again, the market of the Bitcoin is testing the emotional target, which is 2000, and currently on 1st December the market did tested the emotional target of 2000. However, since then we did see a sale off. Now coming on to the technical perspective, what a trader should do. If we saw a retest towards this particular pink support trend line, that would be a great opportunity to go long on an Bitcoin, with our stop losses would be placed some around 17,626, with our take profit would be placed some around 19,672. And if we did see a close below this particular support zone on a 1 day chart or on a weekly chart for the Bitcoin, that would be a clear indicator that the bullish momentum in the Bitcoin has ended, and now we will see a bearish momentum entering in the Bitcoin. Thus, that would be a great opportunity to go long and to recover our losses which we have made on going long on the Bitcoin. Thus, we will short Bitcoin some around 17,071, with our stop losses would be placed some around 18,232, and our take profit would be placed of this particular support zone, which is in range of 16,543. Do keep in mind this is a long term forecast for the Bitcoin, and this could take some around 2 weeks till some around 3 months. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.